Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Amirazi Fashion YouTube channel. So today we are making this simple fitted pencil dress. It's very simple to learn. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share my video with your friends. Give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. Please watch this video to the end, guys.
So this our material that we are using is Accra material, that is Kampala. So it's a half cut that we'll start with first. It's a pencil fitted dress that we are making. So that is the length. The length for the half length is 16. So that is the 16 there. And now this is the shoulder. The shoulder is 14. That is 7. So bring it down again, 14. That is the same 7, and roll it out to get the straight line for the shoulder side. So now that is the shoulder now, so I will roll it now for you to see. That is it now. So we have rolled it out. For the neck is a round neck that we are making, so I'm cutting it with 3.5 and bringing it down. That is slope. The cleavage is 2, so I want it to come up a little. I don't want it to be too down, so it's 2 that I'm marking there now for the cleavage. So after that now, so we'll start with the body measurement. So now is the armhole side, that is the shoulder. I'm bringing it out with 1, so to slope it down. So that is the sloping side. So with that, I will start with the body measurement. That is the bust. My bust here that I'm using is 32, so marking 32. So that is the 32. And remember to add your allowance on it. I'm adding my 1.5 allowance to sewing, for the sewing allowance. So coming to the downside is the waist. So that is the waist side. So the waist is 26, marking 26. Remember to add your 1 inch dot. So I will also mark my 1 inch dot before adding my sewing allowance. So my sewing allowance that I'm also adding is 1.5. So we're done with it. So what I will do now is just for me now to connect. So now I will connect from the armhole side. So I'm just taking the armhole side for it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my video to the end, and share it to your friends so that they can learn this simple dress that we are making. So I'm connecting it from the bust to the waistline. So now we've done with that. So we're done with the measurement, we're done with the cutting. So just for me to cut the neck now. So I'm cutting the neck now, start like the neck. So please watch this video to the end, watch it to the end, and subscribe, share it to your friends so that they can learn from this video, and do it on your own. That's the essence of showing this video. I want you guys to cut it on your own and sew it. It's a very simple dress that we are making. So that is it. That is the armhole side that I've cut out now. So with that, you now use it to lay at the back side of it. Remember, it's the front side that we have just cut. So that is the front side that I've cut out now. So I will take it and measure with the back side. So that is the back side, and that back side, I remember we'll add our zipper allowance. My zipper allowance that I'm adding there is 1.5. It's 1.5 that I'm marking there. So I will show you and use my table to show you what I marked there. So I'm just arranging it out for you to see how it will be. So that is the 1.5 that I've told you that I'm showing you. That is the zipper side of it now. So I'm also rolling it out for you to see clearly. So now we'll cut. Just use it to cut the back side. Remember, it's the front that we just lay on it and use to cut. So that is the cutting side now. So we've done with that. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my video to the end, share it to your friends, and comment. I want you guys to share my video and give it a thumbs up. I want you also to watch it to the end and share it to your friends so that they can learn from it. I've told you it's a simple dress that we are making, and this fabric that we are using is Kampala Accra that we are using to make this dress that you are seeing. So now we've opened the zipper side of it now. So we're done with the front and the back now. So can you see how it is? how beautiful the material is. So now is the downside of it to complete our length, that is our length for the dress. So remember what I did there at the front side. I've taken away from my tape rule. What we have is 16 and the half length that we cut on the front and the back. So now I want to mark from the measurement for the waist. So now this is the waist measurement, and all total the length is 37. So that is the one that we want to mark there. Remember adding your that allowance, that is the waist side, and your sewing allowance. So my sewing allowance that I added there is also 1.5. From there, to get our hip measurement, remember you also taking out from what we have earlier, that is the half cut. The half cut is also 16. That is why I'm using 16 to take away from my tape rule. So now is the measurement for the hip side. My hip that I'm marking there is 36, adding my sewing allowance, so 1.5. So we're done with that. Coming to the downside, is a pencil one that we are making, so I want it to be very shaped. So I'm marking 30, so that is 30 there. And remember to add your sewing allowance. My sewing allowance that I added there is 1.5. So that is the cut measurement. So I'm connecting it from the waist side now to the hip side. From my hip side, I'll connect it to the downside of it. So now this is the downside that I'm connecting it out. And remember the length all total is 37. So this is the length of the dress that we're making. So I'm going to cut out also the body side. So after that, you just use it to also lay to the back side of it and you cut. And after that, you take it to the machine. Can you see how it is now? Very beautiful. The shape has come out. So I'm just notching it out to know that is the upper side of it. So I've notched it, and now did the sleeve, because we have cut the back. So did the sleeve, and before you know it will be ready. So I will take it to the machine, and you see it is ready to go and it's ready to wear out.
Yes, our simple pencil fitted dress is ready. Very beautiful one. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share my video with your friends. Give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. Guys, you can watch this video again and again so that you can learn how to cut it on your own. Please, I want to hear that you have cut your own and you are wearing your own the way I'm wearing my own too. Please, thank you for always watching. I love you guys. See you on my next video.